Okay, good morning everyone. Today is August 15th and I'm at Hills, Malay Madeshwara Hills, which is sort of adjoining BR Hills in southern Karnataka, southwestern or rather southeastern Karnataka. So we are at the A-Tree Field Station. You can see those elephant lantana elephants being prepared here. So anyway, I'm here with Arvind from A-Tree and my birdwatcher friend Harvey. So we are heading out now to the field, and I will report back after these, if and when we see anything interesting. Yeah, these are the elephants. They look pretty amazing. Let me just give you a shot. You know, I think this tribal community here sort of makes all these lantana furniture. All right, I will stop. Keep going. Okay, there you can see the river Kaveri. So other side is Tamil Nadu and we are in Karnataka side. It's a lot of water. So we are now in Kaveri Wildlife Sanctuary, which is north of lot of water, which is basically north of Hills. So we just come down from Hills. We are heading towards Gopinatham, which is the village where Virappan, the sandalwood smuggler and poacher, was I guess born. So the forest here is all mostly scrub jungle. Okay, so welcome to Gopinatham village. This is the native place of the outlaw Virappan. There's Harvey. Apparently this was temple constructed by Virappan, right?
No, he blasted this temple.
He blasted this temple? What are you talking about?
Yeah, that's what I was told.
Yeah, right.
And then they reconstructed it. They renovated it.
No, I thought he constructed this temple. Anyway, we'll get that clarified. Anyway, it's a small little, almost like a town. And we are heading towards Hogenekel, which is this way. Ah, he built it. There's our friend Arvind. Arvind, you want to say hi?
Hello, we are in Gopinatham village.
Anything else you want to say about this place?
No, closer to this place, maybe a few kilometers from here, where DFO Srinivas been beheaded by Virappan. Statue been put up where he has been killed.
No, we'll take a look at that place.
We have to go inside.
Yeah. Cool.
That's it.
Yeah, we'll. Okay, here's another view of Gopinatham village, which is back there. Virappan's native place. And now we are heading towards Hogenekel. We are 12 kilometers from here. And that's where the river Kaveri flows through a very narrow gorge. And oh no, that's further upstream. At Hogenekel there's a waterfall. But anyway, nice view here. Very misty. So we are still trying to figure out the path. And the altitude here has dropped now to about 280 meters above sea level. So So MM Hills is probably around 1000. So we just come down to the valley and it's very hot down here. And the vegetation is also sort of stunted scrub jungle kind of a vegetation. Alright, I'll stop now. Okay people, welcome to the Tepa ride.
Tepa service.
There's Harvey, Rama, Arvind, and that's me here. And we are on the banks, well, on the river Kaveri. And we are heading towards Hogeneckal Falls. ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಹೊಗೆನೆಕಲ್ಲು? ಅಲ್ಲಿನಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ.
ಹೊಗೆನೆಕಲ್ is somewhere that side. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತೆಪ್ಪ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲ್, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಫಾಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಫಾಲ್, ಅದು ಹೊಗೆನೆಕಲ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ನೀರು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಓಹೋ, ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನದಿ ಎರಡು ಜಾಗದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೊಗೆನೆಕಲ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ at the falls. Anyway, let's see where it takes us. So the Mettu Dam is downstream there. So what you are actually seeing is the backwaters of Mettur. And I believe that side is Tamil Nadu, no?
Yeah,
that is Tamil Nadu. And on this side where we have just come from is Karnataka. Yeah. Let's stop. Okay, check out these ladies selling produce in the middle of the river. Wow, they're selling cucumber and
ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಬೇಡ, ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
Harvey has decided to buy some.
ಫುಲ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
Oh wow, she has a whole shop there.
And there behind you as well.
Oh, and there's one there. So we are getting some fresh cucumbers. Nice.
You want the skin? Okay, later.
No. Let's have it without the skin. This is interesting.
Okay.
How do we reach our wallets?
I have it. ಫೋನ್ ಪೇ.
Phone pay. Oh,
ಅದು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕವರ್ ಬೇಡ, ಹಾಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Here is the ready cucumber now. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೊಡಿ.
Hey, are you sure we want two? Yeah.
Cucumber na after all.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು?
Okay, we are approaching one of the falls. Again, Hogeneckal, I guess, is a bunch of different falls. Just approaching one of them. You can see some water gushing down this way. Alright, there's a hanging bridge here which is not in use. We're getting closer to the waterfall. Or, you know, as I said, there are a bunch of different waterfalls. We're just approaching one of them. These circular boat-like boats here are called Tepa.
Buffalo skin and bamboo.
Yeah, is it buffalo skin? No, I doubt it. Yeah. Oh yeah. quite scary, huh? Wow, check out the way the water is gushing out. There are probably 5-6 waterfalls like this, and we are at only one of them. Oh, this is pretty amazing. So basically the river is passing through a gorge. This is the view on the other side. There are quite a few waterfalls further up. Oh, well, he says the main falls is on the other side, which has even more water. So you can imagine. Oh, Nordkon. And there's the people under the falls there taking a dip under the falls. It's insane. They have oil massage up there, and then they come and sit under the fall. Alright, I'll stop. Well, this itself was spectacular, but apparently this is not the main Hogenekel waterfall. So I can imagine which is how the other one is going to be. Oh, there's water gushing down there. Alright, I guess we are heading back now. Okay, check out these fishes that have been fished right from the river. The river is right down there. So I'm going to try 2 pieces of this. What is it? Tilapia or what is it?
I think it is.
They call it jalebi here. Adin fry martira? Aitri. Alright, so I'm going to try some of that and let's see. Okay, check out my fish dish here. It's pretty nice. So this is now almost Tamil Nadu border. There's river Palar down there, and beyond the bridge is Tamil Nadu. This way is to Hills. Where does this road lead to?
To Salem.
Oh, this goes to Salem. Oh, so one can also go to Salem and come this way to Hills.
Yeah.
Mettur is 33 kilometers, Salem is 83.
So yeah, on the way we saw some langurs also. That was pretty cool. So this is Palar River, which this again looks like it's in the backwaters of Mettur Dam, because there's a lot of water. Further down from here, you have Mettur Dam across River Kaveri, and this looks like again the backwaters of Mettur Dam. Oh, our man is fishing here. This again looks like backwaters, man.
Now it's water is more.
Yeah,
During the summer,
yeah.
you can see water flowing.
Flowing. Oh, okay. All right. So somewhere over there is River Kaveri, and Palar comes and joins River Kaveri. Yeah.
Coming from MMH, all the streams.
Oh, okay. The river comes from MM Hills. Huh? That way is MM Hills. Yeah.
And joins Kaveri dawns.
So was there any episode here with Veerappan?
Something written there.
Huh? Oh, is he pulling it up? Okay, some fishing going on here. Oh, he's got one fish.
One of the watcher.
Hang on, let's see.
Which is this fish?
So one little tiny fish he's got.
And he's got a few more.
Few more. Oh, it's got a big one. Alright. He's got a big one. Let's see. Is the eel?
There is an eel also.
Hey, that looks like a catfish.
Catfish,
Catfish, Allah?
Which is this? Oh, this is a catfish.
catfish. Small size.
ತಿನ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ
ಯಾರೋ ಪಡಬಡಿ ಓಡಾಡಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ
ತಿಂತಾರಾ ಇದನ್ನ ತಿಂತೀರಾ ಇದು
Catfish.
ನೈಸ್
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನೋ ಅದ್ಯಾವುದು
ಅದು
ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ
ಕಂಟಿಯಸ್
ಬಾರ್ಬ್
ಏನೋ ಚಲೋ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋ ಬೇರೆ ಇದು ಅದು ಒಂದು
ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ
ತಿನ್ನೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ
ಹಾ.
ಚಿಕ್ಕದು
ನೀರಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿಯಲ್ಲ
ವಾಪಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ
ಏನಂತ ಮಾತಾಡಿಯಪ್ಪ
ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದೆ
ಓ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಲ್ವಾ
ಅದು ಅದೇ ಅಷ್ಟೇ
You thought you saw eel?
ಹಾಂ ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಐ ಸಾ an eel.
Yeah.
ಮೊಬೈಲ್
Yeah, maybe we should just.
ಮೊಬೈಲ್
Yeah, it's got a nice.
ಮೊಬೈಲ್
Oh, that's it. There's no eel, man. Yeah.
Nice long barb.
Yeah.
Two long barbs and there's two short barbs here.
ತಿನ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್ ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, there's no eel. Okay. So apparently around here too, Veerappan was very active, and in 1989.
BC ಮೋಹನಯ್ಯನವರು ಅರಣ್ಯ ರಕ್ಷಕ. ಇವರು ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರತರಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ದಿನಾಂಕ 4/8/1989 ಹಂತಕರ ಗುಂಡಿಗೆ ಬಲಿಯಾಗಿ ಹುತಾತ್ಮರಾದರು. ಸ್ಥಳ ಪಾಲಾರ್, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಇಲಾಖೆ.
So what's his name again?
ಮೋಹನಯ್ಯ.
Some guy Mohanaya got killed.
ಹಾಂ ಹೌದು.
Yeah, I think it was by Veerappan probably.
ಯಾ
Anyway, but they have not mentioned Veerappan's name.
ನೋ, ಹಂತಕರ ಗುಂಡಿಗೆ ಬಲಿಯಾದ.
Anyway, one more spot. They're going to throw the net again into the water. Let's see.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ ಏಯ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಿಜವಾ
Well, that's how it's done. Malay Mahadeshwara Wildlife Sanctuary, that's where we are. And that was Palar Bridge, heading back to MM Hills. You can see the macaques on the wire right there. These wires are insulated, so it's even though it's a live wire, they can actually sit up there. Hey, go further up. There are quite a few of them on the wire. So I think this is a good sort of measure, because there was a lot of animals dying because of getting electrocuted by these wires, electric wires. But now you can see that they are actually sitting on the wires right now, because these wires are all insulated. It's pretty safe for the animals. Anyway, that's chameleon roadkill.
Camellia zelanicus.
Oh, big fellow, just check it out.
Oh. हाकुड़ला साइड गए
साइड का पूरी
इसका टंग देख
Yeah, long tongue. Oh yeah, there's a langur right there. This is our Priam, Semirapathecus Priam. Long tail. Oh, there he goes.
and see the way he's carrying it.
Check out the valley down there. It's absolutely breathtaking. There's an electric fence running around right down there. Oh, this is a beautiful valley.
But that electric fence is all.
It's broken, huh?
Yeah.
We can hear a jungle fowl in the backdrop.
Grey jungle fowl.
Grey jungle fowl, yeah. There's a calotus there, right?
Yeah, there was. Redhead guy. What is a redhead?
Oh, you can see the electric fence running over here. Keep the wild boars out. Hey, this is a Sholiga settlement, right?
Yes.
And they're growing, I think they said ragi and corn, isn't it?
Yes.
Nice place, sir.
Let's say Gopinatham Valley. This ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇರ್ ಪಿನ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀಗೆ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು.
So this is Gopinatham Valley.
Yes.
Okay.
Our jeep got stuck when I was working here. Veerappan was high active during that time. Two of us had to climb up the hill line actually.
So this is all MM Hills, Malay Mahadeshwara Hills, and to the other side over there is the town itself. But on this side is just beautiful forest, mostly dry deciduous forest. And in these areas, the outlaw and bandit and poacher, whatever you want to call him, Veerappan, was quite active. We just went to his village where he was born, his native place, a place called Gopinatham, which I believe is further this way. Hey, Gopinatham is this way, right?
Yes. This valley leads to Gopinatham.
Yeah. So we were there and we come back up over here. Oh, this beautiful view. Just absolutely. It's a little hazy out there, but lovely hills. All right, I'll stop. Nemaspus ganeshae, a new species of Nemaspus from these areas. Oh wow, the legs are all nice and yellow.
Yellow.
That's nice.
And
Beautiful.
it's the tip of the tail.
Tip of the tail is also yellow and the snout is also yellow.
Yellow or red?
Tip of the tail is red.
Yeah.
So this is named after K.N. Ganeshaya, right?
Yes.
I'll take a.
Who is a retired professor from GKVK.
Founder of Gateway.
Yeah, founder of Gateway.
Okay, I'll take
lovely.
a.
This is beautiful.
Twin.
होगा ना? Okay, what's the date today? 17th, no?
Yeah.
Okay, 17th of August. We are heading back from MM Hills. We were here yesterday evening, and now finally things are clearing up. This is a valley just across from where A3 field station is. There's Arvind, there's Rama Harve. So we're gonna head back soon. There's some interesting looking Samo here. We just took some photographs. So yeah, the valley down there is just beautiful, and that is Gopinatham Valley, and we were at the Gopinatham village, which is further down that way. Yeah, so beautiful place. So we're gonna head over to the field station and head back to Bangalore. Hey guys, so shall we start moving?
Sure.
Okay, so Arvind, do you remember this? Oh, what a large grasshopper. Some interesting plant.
No, this is a succulent.
Oh yeah.
It's a relative of mother-in-law's tongue. The snake plant.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a wild here. I'm trying to grow it.
Oh,
It grows in the crevice.
oh, that's nice. Chalo, let's move on then.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ?
Okay. Oops. Okay, so as we are heading back now, I'm just going to quickly go over everything we have seen. So with respect to herbs, what have we saw the Samo here. We saw the Samo here, which is probably something quite different because I'm not able to make out what it is. It's definitely not dorsalis. Oh, we saw Nemaspus ganeshayai, which is a new species of Nemaspus described from here. Beautiful specimen. We have taken some nice photographs. Wait, with respect to lizards, anything else? Oh yes, Hemidactylus triedrus, termite hill gecko, and of course there were all these Hemidactylus geckos at the field station, which are mostly Parvi maculatus, and maybe a Leschnol TV. I was not able to make out. Yeah, anything else with lizards? That's it, no?
Yeah.
Then we saw a couple of frogs. One was Fagevaria, right?
Yeah.
3 different types of figures.
3 different types. Not able to identify the individual species. Probably 3 different species of Fagevaria. Then there was Dattaphragmus, Melanostictus, right? And what else? Frogs, that's it, no?
Yeah.
No Rochesters here, which is, I guess, bit of a surprise for me. I thought, do we have Rochesters in Bear Hills?
Yes. You have one little.
Oh yeah,
Pseudophyllatus wynardensis.
Wynardensis and Rochester's hornmeti in BR Hills, which is sort of contiguous with this forest. So maybe it's too dry here, you know. Oh, you can hear the peacock, tailor bird, and I think I also heard the Ayora.
Yes.
Isn't that Ayora? Yeah.
Yes.
Birds, anything interesting we saw? We saw the, what was that? Black-headed cuckoo shrike, right? Anything?
Orange Minuet.
Orange minuet.
Large cormorant.
Yeah, at Kaveri, large cormorants, a darter,
Night heron.
night heron,
Egrets. And grey heron.
grey heron.
Little egret, medium egret.
But forest birds, anything else?
Ashy wood swallow.
Ah, yes, ashy wood swallow.
Then the swallows. Little swift.
Little swift up here.
Interestingly, we don't see any raptors.
Oh yeah, no raptors. That's interesting. Yes. Yeah.
While driving in, I saw some Brahmini kites and the Brahmini kites.
Brahmini kites, huh?
Black eagles here earlier.
Oh, you've seen a black eagle here? Wow. Okay. Hey, so oh, this is the
Tamarind.
Tamarind. Okay. And anything else we saw? Oh, I can see some drongos.
Yeah, drongos were there.
Birds, I'm trying to think what else. Peacock, of course.
Spotted owlets.
We heard spotted owlets. Yeah, yeah.
Extraordinary.
Yeah. Mammals, actually nothing much at all. Early in the morning today, or rather at night, I just had to come out of my room. Yeah, I saw spotted deer at night within A3 property, and of course black-naped hare, right?
Langur.
Oh, yesterday we saw langur. That would be Semnopithecus priam. In two different places. On our way back from oh, this is our is this yellow-billed
Yeah.
babbler?
Yeah.
There's
Yes.
whole bunch of them there. So on the way from Gopinatham to MM Hills, we saw langurs in a couple of locations. And of course there were macaques all along the road in many places. The usual bonnet macaque. Check out the local, these are all Sholigas, right? Settlements here.
Hamlet.
Yeah, hamlet rather. Yeah, so anything else you remember we saw? In that sort of jumps out, something interesting? So MM Hills is a little less than 1,000 meters above sea level. The vegetation is largely dry deciduous, and to the north the hills go down to Kaveri Valley. So to the north of MM Hills you have Kaveri Valley and the river Kaveri flowing through it, and that part is called Kaveri Wildlife Sanctuary. And I guess to the west of MM Hills is BR Hills, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's a large stretch of forest starting from Kaveri River all the way to BR Hills. And altitudinal gradation from about 250-300 meters to 1,800 meters in BR Hills. Okay. Hey, anything else we saw yesterday? We saw a bunch of, we were rolling some rocks, we saw some centipedes and, you know, flatworm. Oh, that was interesting, yes. Flatworm and...
A lot of millipedes.
Oh, we also saw that pill millipede, right?
Yes.
And the variety here is a little smaller than the one that you get in Western Ghats. So, do we find a lot of Western... Oh, among birds we saw the tree pie. Right?
Yes.
Which one was that? Which tree pie?
Rufous tree pie.
Rufous tree pie, yeah. So, Arvind,
Yeah.
do we find a lot of Western Ghats elements here?
Not much.
Huh.
A few plant species are there,
Huh.
but not river birds.
I see.
Yeah. But if you go to BRT, you will get fairy bluebird, yellow-browed bulbul, black bulbul,
Huh.
those kind of things, which is not available here in MM Hills.
Huh.
Mimi Ceylon, which is a Western Ghats species, also available here and in BR Hills. It's a plant,
I see.
produces beautiful purple colored flowers.
Mimi Salon.
Mimi Ceylon.
Okay. So, yeah, I guess BR Hills has more Western Ghats, a lot more Western Ghats elements than here. You know what is interesting is I think this Kurunji It's found in Bear Hills, right?
Yes, in a high altitude.
Yeah. And I believe it is also found in Yarkad.
Okay.
So it's so strange that you have many of these elements that are found, Western Ghats elements that are found in hills further east. But this place being more contiguous, more connected and contiguous with BR Hills, you don't have many Western Ghats elements. Maybe the climatic condition here has changed dramatically and many of those elements have probably gone extinct. I don't know.
Yeah, rainfall is also very less compared to BR Hills. It's around 600, 700 millimeters.
Yeah.
BR Hills, it's 1000 plus, 1500 plus.
Oh, here it's 600 to 700
Yes.
millimeters
Yeah.
per year. Okay. Okay, I think I'll wrap it up. So we are heading back now to the guest house, or the field station, the A3 field station, and we'll have some breakfast and head over to Bangalore. It's been a wonderful 2 days here in MM Hills, and yeah, I'll be back with more travels.